Welcome back. Now also in the home menu, you're going to notice the Styles tab. And the Styles tab allows you to customize your document and to make sure that you're doing the same thing consistently throughout the document when you're using various titles and subtitles. So for example, when you are putting together a document and you start with your title, one of the things that you can do is you can highlight this title, you can click this button, and you can make sure that this is going to be designated as the title and that your style is going to be the same if you decide to use this very same thing in the document again. So for example, if we were to come down into the document, we were to place text on the inside, and we were to leave that text in the normal mode, which is going to be the default setting. If we wanted this title to look just like the other one, all we would need to do is to highlight this text, then click this button for title, and then our title would be the exact same. It's possible to use styles to do subheadings also. So for example, if we were to place text inside of this area, what we could do is we can highlight this text, and then we can click this button to make this a heading. Now it's quite possible that we don't like the style of this particular heading. So what we could do is we could change the nature of this heading to another font. We can make it in the way that we want it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to this heading button. We're going to right-click the heading button. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click this link that says Update Heading 1 to match selection. So now whenever we go and we change something to heading 1, what's going to happen is this text is going to appear. So for example, let's go to this area of the text. Then we're going to highlight this text. What we're going to do is we're going to change this to the heading number 1. We can also modify this text. So for example, if we wanted to go into heading 1, we want to click Modify. And we can assume that we want to center these areas of heading 1. And what we can do is we can then click this Justify button so that whenever we use this heading, it's then going to be center justified. We're then going to click OK. And what you're going to notice then is that this title now is going to be in the center as well as the other one we created. Now typically, if you are creating a manuscript, you can use the title button for all of your titles. You can use your heading as the first heading or the first level of headings. And you can use the heading 2 button as the subheading. And this will help you especially when you are putting together a table of contents for your manuscript. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in